apple. Sound of a is a, apple. B for ball. Sound of B is b, ball. C for cat. Sound of C is k, cat. D for dog. Sound of D is d, dog. E for elephant. Sound of E is a, elephant. F for fish. Sound of F is f, fish. G for goat. Sound of G is g, goat. H for horse. Sound of H is h, horse. I for import. Sound of I is e, import. J for jug. Sound of J is jug, jug. K for kite. Sound of K is k, kite. L for lion. Sound of L is la, lion. M for monkey. Sound of M is monkey. N for nest. Sound of N is nest. O for orange. Sound of O is orange. P for parrot. Sound of P is parrot. Q for queen. Sound of Q is queen. R for rabbit. Sound of R is rabbit. S for sheep. Sound of S is sheep. T for tiger. Sound of T is tiger. U for umbrella. Sound of U is umbrella. V for van. Sound of V is van. W for watch. Sound of W is watch. X for Xmas. Sound of X is Xmas. Y for yak. Sound of Y is yak. Z for zebra. Sound of Z is zebra.
Thanks for watching Joyful Kids. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.